This video will cover the installation of an eco battery in an Evolution golf cart with a 6-pin factory lithium battery. If you have a 9-pin factory lithium battery, that installation is covered in another video on our channel. Disconnect gauge cable. Disconnect terminal connections. Remove battery hold-down hardware. Remove factory battery. Remove cup holder dash hardware. Remove cup holder dash. Remove factory gauge hardware. Disconnect and remove factory gauge. Disconnect spade connectors from the gauge cable. Remove gauge cable. You are going to need to cut some zip ties. These will be put back in place when you install your new gauge. Grab your eco battery gauge and route it up towards the dash along the same path. Secure the gauge cable with zip ties along with any other cables that are hanging loose. Install eco battery gauge. Install gauge hardware. Connect both connections into gauge. Tidy any loose wiring in the dash. Replace cup holder dash. Install dash hardware. Place in your battery to mark drilling holes. You may have a slight overhang, that is okay. Using a 3/8 drill bit, drill your holes. Disconnect charger from charge port. Disconnect LED indicator. Remove charger hardware. Disconnect charger DC lead. Remove charger. Using the factory hardware, install your eco battery charger. Drill a hole for charger hardware. Locate your A-4007 and connect it to your charge port and charger. Tidy any loose wiring. Drop in your eco battery. Install battery hold-down hardware. Route your charging leads and CAN connection toward the terminal side. Secure with zip ties. Connect your positive charging lead and main positive to the positive terminal. Torque to 8 foot-pounds or 96 inch-pounds. Connect your negative charging lead and main negative to the negative terminal. Torque to 8 foot-pounds or 96 inch-pounds. Replace terminal covers. Plug in your A-4211 to COM port 2. Connect your charger CAN into one of the CAN connections. It does not matter which one. Replace the seat. Ensure your battery is on the latest firmware using the EB Power app. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our support team. Thank you for supporting EcoBattery.